That's right.
He was intoxicated by the idea of being champion. He exulted in his title, loved the crowds, the special pressures, the fanatic attention. Do you realize what it means to be the best in the world at something? Especially at something so savagely competitive as boxing? To be the best in the world. To rise above the desperate stratagems of the pug on the way up or down. How many kids under how many sleazy, buck-hungry trainers living on hamburgers and cokes, pickling their fists in brine to make them tough, overmatched because it's the only match that can be made. To be told by his trainer that it was a lucky punch and that he's a cinch to win his next bout. To rise out of all that. To rise so far when down is so low. To become best in the world. It was part of Clay's electric responsiveness that he could never take his title for granted. And when he wasn't fighting title bouts, he was boxing exhibitions. It was as if he knew that his time